I've been asked to make more content about how I'm able to produce high quality videos, or at least certain shots, on a limited budget. It's kind of difficult to answer given how much I tend to wing things, but I have a few ideas here that should help make your video production better, more fun, or at least get you thinking out of the box a bit more. Let's take a look right after this.
Useful tech education and gaming nostalgia that won't put you to sleep. Get subscribed and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next guide.
I'm EposVox, here to make tech easier and more fun, talking about a few ways you can improve your video B-roll production on the cheap. I've used a taste of the expensive side of gear and materials, but I still primarily use my budget stuff. We'll be covering lighting, backdrops, and materials, and even a couple super low budget options for actual gear. Lighting is the most important aspect of video quality, so we'll talk about this first. Admittedly, I don't have a ton of new ideas here, just ideas that I use most regularly, but most people seem to ignore. For clean lighting, you can find a pack of cheap daylight LED bulbs at your local Meijer, Walmart, or hardware store. These actually provide a nice, white color temperature that looks great on camera. You're seeing most of that right now, and I regularly see them on sale for an affordable price while we're on grocery runs. Sometimes they produce the annoying LED refresh issue on camera, but a simple shutter speed adjustment can often take care of that. If you want fancy colored lighting, you can actually buy individual colored CFL bulbs on Amazon for dirt cheap. I have both a red and a blue that I use regularly, and they cost me no more than like $5 or $6 on Amazon. They're often sold as party bulbs and work great for B-roll. Alternatively, of course, you can look into full Philips Hue or LifeX home kits, but those are quite a bit pricier. For actually holding the lamps, something like these swing arm lamps I got from Amazon for $25 each can give you more positioning control, but you can also just use basic clamp lamps for dirt cheap. These can be had for $5 to $10 on Amazon or picked up at your local hardware store such as Lowe's and Home Depot. I've seen them on sale for like $1 a piece every once in a while, a great time to stock up on them if you don't have any. They come with a removable reflector hood, and you can use wax paper or other translucent material as diffusers. We did this for a green screen setup in a local basement live production studio that I interned at. Really don't discount the value of natural lighting. Opening window blinds or simply taking your shoot to a local park can make your videos look so much better than shooting in the same indoors environment over and over. More and more, I've been working on making use of better backdrops and texture material for product shots. I've collected a lot of cheap things for this. Colored poster board available for 69 cents from local stores. They provide a nice clean backdrop. Black foam boards can be used to block out light or create a nice backdrop. White foam boards can be used to bounce light, create a softer, more widespread white look, or just create super white backdrops. I've also picked up a lot of placemats from stores, as well as random things with neat patterns or textures too, such as this weird metal grate thing and a wicker plate holder and so on. This can all add a dynamic element to your shots. Similarly, just generally spending more time designing your shot composition can make the world of difference in your shot looking amateur or professional. This means adding in the extra set pieces in the background or foreground, changing location every once in a while, and so on. And if you want that cliche YouTuber look, I've got the fake grass bit from a local Five Below store for just $5. Toys, comic books, clothes, candles, whatever fits your style and product focused. These have been the biggest boon to my video quality. My only problem that I've run into is storing them without bins and creases. Currently, I just have a tiny table below my shooting desk, but I wish I had a better system for the backdrops and the poster board. Lastly, we get to budget gear options. I actually cover a fair amount of budget gear when I can on the channel, so I will point you to the playlist for more. Mics, fluid video heads, tripods, I've reviewed a number of things that I've used, and I will aim to keep reviewing more. But a couple I haven't made a dedicated video on are these CCTV lenses I got on Amazon. Less than $30 each for these little lenses and the appropriate mount for your camera. They're not tack sharp, they're not great overall, but they provide a really cool bokeh effect which can be quite desirable for creative shooting and fancy B-roll. Specifically, there are the Helios lenses from Russia that can get quite pricey for their swirly bokeh effects, but these Photasy 25mm f1.4 and 35mm f1.7 lenses can get much similar effects for quite a bit cheaper. They're a lot of fun, and I will have dedicated videos coming on them very soon. There's always options out there for making creative video for cheap and low budget productions, but you have to develop an eye for looking outside the box and doing things a little bit differently than you would with a big budget production. I hope I've helped to get you thinking a little bit on the matter. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe for more. I will have affiliate product links for most things that I've mentioned in the video description. I'm EposVox, and I will see you in the next one.
This video is sponsored by viewers like you. Our videos would not be possible without the generosity of those of you who contribute to one of our fan funding options, be it donor box, Twitch subscriptions, direct contributions via PayPal, or Patreon. To join our inner circle and get behind-the-scenes looks at videos, go to eposvox.com/support to learn more, and join us on Discord at eposvox.com/discord. Thanks.